That should be good. So we're gonna preheat. And this one is going to be a very simple one. I'm going to add one of my designs for Valentine's Day. So this is going to be my other design. Let me just shrink it a little bit. I think looks better like that. This one we are going to apply for 12 seconds. This is a hot peel and this is a cold peel, so I'm gonna have to wait on that. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to remove this one. And I'm going to remove this one. And for the other one, we're gonna wait. So when I'm ready to peel it off, I'll be right back to show you the finished design. We are ready to peel it off. And what I like to do when I apply Ultracolor Soft, I just like to apply it for 3 more seconds. Let's hit apply it for 5 more seconds. That should be good. And this is the final result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like these designs, go ahead and go to Etsy or my website to purchase them. Thank you for all your support. Until next time, thank you.